Allow me to introduce the Wainbee line of pneumatic lubricants. A prominent air tool manufacturer some years ago made a statement that if you're using the proper kind of air line treatment, meaning your lubricators and filters as well as your lubricants, you can expect up to 7 times the life of your pneumatic equipment. What I'll do is I'll go through each of these one at a time, and then I'll do an active demo of Polar-Lube at the end. This is the Wainbee virtually non-toxic lubricant. It's rated OcuSafe. It has high misting quality, superior lubrication. It helps prevent oxidation, and it helps move the moisture through the tools or equipment to exhaust. And most important, it's healthier for workers. A lot of the competitive lubricants in the marketplace are simply hydraulic lubricants, and those additives are not good for skin or lungs. This is the Wainbee Food Grade Lubricant, and it meets all of the government regulations, and it can also be used in shutdown periods to wipe down food grade machinery. The third one is the Polar-Lube, which will protect airlines down to -60. A lot of people don't realize that anything below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and your airline can freeze. The reason is, as the air goes to exhaust, it's expanding and dropping in temperature, and that can create a frozen tool or a frozen valve or even a frozen cylinder. Some of the best applications for Polar-Lube are in mills, factories, construction, pipelines, lumber industry, forestry industry. They use them in grain elevators, and lately they're using it in the automatic doors in subways and buildings and that sort of application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demo here on Polar-Lube to show you, illustrate how well it grabs moisture. So this is what I'm going to do is pour some Polar-Lube in this glass, like so, small amount in the bottom. And I'm going to add tap water, and you'll see that all the tap water you add, the Polar-Lube instantly starts to grab that moisture, that water. So that happens all the way down to -60. And so anywhere you're using it in outdoor applications or unheated applications, you would use Polar-Lube. Once you get above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, what the best procedure is to replace the Polar-Lube with your Wainbee virtually non-toxic lubricant, and that will take you up to the higher temperatures. What you can do when you do drain the bowl of the Polar-Lube, you can actually put that aside and save that until the next following cold temperature, anything below 40 Fahrenheit. Thank you.